PharmaTrue is essentially a way for a blockchain-based application which would ensure the validity and genuineness of a drug throughout the supply chain from the manufacturer to the end user, that is, the patient. This is essential because medicines are essential commodities, and it is very important that pharmacies deliver the correct medicine which is verified by licensed professionals for the well-being of patients in order to protect them from counterfeits. So now, because it's a blockchain-based application, we need to connect a MetaMask wallet, which is a virtual Ethereum wallet. I'm going to do that right now. I already have a MetaMask account set up, and I have the MetaMask extension in my browser. If you don't, you'll be prompted to install these both. Alright, so now my MetaMask account is connected. However, the website still needs some additional information like my first name, last name, email, and the account type. For now, we can select pretty much any account type we want to from here. However, in the real world app, we would have an extensive user verification system in place while registering. So for now, I'm just going to select patient. Alright, so now I have been logged in. I'm just going to wait for it to fetch the data. Alright, so for now this page isn't fully designed, but we're going to work on that soon. Till then, I'm just going to go and show you how this works. So for example, we have a batch of Allegra. So we're just going to enter that here, and we're going to click on check. And it's going to show us some information about this. 1 second. Yeah, so it shows us the UID of the Allegra which has been uploaded by the manufacturer. We will locally check this against the copy of the UID that we have as the patient, and if these two match, we will click on this, verify as patient. This would hit the backend, the blockchain, and it would switch the patient verification to true. In the real world, all of these should ideally be true before we hit verify as patient, so that we can be sure that it has been verified at every step along the supply chain. However, we haven't yet implemented that particular functionality. We will in the next couple of hours. So we would ideally hit verify as patient, and it would come as true here. For now, that is all on the front end that we've implemented. However, the contract itself is visible here if you want to. So this is the blockchain contract that we are using to facilitate all these functions. It's a standard contract on the Hedera blockchain. This was the Figma file that we created for the design, that our designer created for us, and we've been following it for building the UI. And this is the page that hasn't been implemented fully yet. Our database for the user info. And finally, if you want to view our code, it's at our repository, which should be accessible to you. And we have 3 main folders here. The first one, this app folder, is the front end, the Next.js front end. The API is a basic Express API to interact with the blockchain. We could have also used existing things such as Web3.js or Alchemy, but we decided to go this route and build our own because our use case was pretty simple. And finally, we have the blockchain itself, so you'll have the Solidity files for the contract and all here. And yeah, that's it for now. We still have some functionality we have to implement, but we will be doing that before the final review, before the final pitch. Thank you.